President Bola Tinubu on July 19, 2024 meets with service chiefs and heads of security agencies for the State House, Abuja. The security meeting are part of the periodic assessments of the security situation for Kontri, Niger. After the meeting, IGP Kayode Egbeta for a talk with State House Fore people come here and say Oga Presido dey satisfied with the report and don challenge them to work more together to get better results. Ekosti talk say as Inspector General of Police, im gets the record of all reported crime and im fit confirm and say crime rate don reduce.
It's a routine security meeting we had with Mr. President, where we had the opportunity of giving him security briefs. This we have been doing regularly. Mr. President is happy with what we are doing. He's satisfied with our reports. He has challenged us to continue to work together and improve our synergy. And that's all. As Inspector General of Police, I have the records of all reported crimes across the country. And I can tell you that crime rate is declining in Nigeria. Records don't lie. The records are there. So I can assure you that we continue to do whatever we are doing to maintain the decline in the crime rate.
The Chief of Defence Staff, General Christopher Musa, chook mouth on the fight against oil tifitifi for we country and come warn oil tifitifi people say make them remove body from infrastructure vandalism and oil tifitifi or else them go face the military actions. Ekosti talk say
Nigeria relies a lot on what we produce, and his mandate, like we mentioned days back, is for us to restore full production. We are targeting 2.1 million barrels per day, which is achievable. So we are taking steps to ensure that all that is required to be done is done. The president is fully aware of the cries and hues of the communities, and he's not going to let them down. The communities should rest assured that steps are going to be taken to address their grievances so that productions will continue. And for the criminals, those ones that are hell-bent in destroying our infrastructure, stealing our crude for whatever reason, the days are numbered. They should rest assured that we're coming after them. And want to assure Nigerians that we all need to put hands together to achieve this success. Nobody can do it alone. No single service, no single individual can do this. We all need to work together, including the states. We understand that communities are going through so much, and the president is going to address those issues to ensure that we have full production.
Security heads wait and that for the meeting now. National Security Advisor NSA Ruhu Ribadu, Chief of Defence Staff General Christopher Musa, Director General of the National Intelligence Agency Yusuf Bauchi, Commandant General of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defence Corps Ahmed Abubakar, Comptroller General of the Nigerian Immigration Service Kemi Nadab, among others. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting, TMC TV News.